guys, I'm Nancy and I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not just a traditional product unboxing and review video. I'm also going to show you how you can use this product and organize your space in multiple ways. This video is going to be helpful for all the age groups including students, bachelor, even to those who like to decorate their house. And do watch this video till the end so that you can get most out of it. Without any further ado, let's get started. We got this product from Amazon and product link is there in the description box so you can check that out. There was no instruction manual inside, therefore we assembled it of our own. इसको assemble करना काफी simple है. So guys, this is the final outcome. So it is a 4-tier shelf. अपने घर पर मैंने इसके जो first 3 shelves हैं उनको ही use किया है. Fourth one I have kept somewhere else. So all of that I'm going to show you in this video. I have placed here these types of shelf liners which I bought from Amazon. If there is any kind of spillage या फिर कुछ भी कैसा भी गिर जाता है, then you just have to clean the liner. Therefore, it reduces your time in maintaining and cleaning this shelf. You can use this shelf in multiple ways and I'm going to show you that one by one. So I have placed this in my washroom. यहाँ पर कोई भी extra vanity box या फिर furnishing नहीं है. On the first shelf, I have kept all grooming and bath related items like my husband's trimmer, shampoo, shower gel, etc. In the next shelf, I have kept extra stock of washroom related essentials. In the last shelf, I have kept floor and toilet cleaner. As there are wheels in the bottom, therefore it is very easy to clean the bathroom floor. First 3 shelf I have used in this washroom and top shelf I have used in my another washroom. In this washroom we already have some furnishing. Therefore I have kept it here next to shower area, inside which I have kept some basic bath essentials and an indoor plant. Now I will show you some other ways of using this shelf. You can use this shelf in your utility or if you have any laundry area, as there is some space next to my washing machine. If you have similar leftover space next to your washing machine or refrigerator, then you can simply slide in this shelf. As you can see, the space starts looking really clean and also most of the essentials are hidden. Now let's jump into the very interesting and creative way of using this shelf. You can use this for creating a very beautiful green corner in your balcony as well as indoors. If you want to create a green corner inside your house, then you can place small planters containing pothos like money plant, also variety of succulents which doesn't grow in height. You can even place little heighted plants like snake plant on the top shelf. Just to enhance it beautifully, you can add any kind of showpiece and also some beautiful lights. Now another very useful way of using this shelf is next to your dining area. We usually like to keep our cutleries, ketchup and pickle bottles, snacks and refreshments on our dining table so that they are in easy reach for everyone at home. But if number of items starts becoming so many, then that space starts looking very unorganized, does not look neat as well. To solve this problem, you can buy these kind of big dining trolleys. If you don't want to spend that much of money, then you can place this shelf next to your dining table with all your dining essentials. For easy reach, you can place here water bottles, dry fruits and other snacks boxes as well in a very limited space. Another way is to use this shelf in your kitchen. If you are a bachelor and you want to set up your kitchen with limited grocery, you can easily organize your grocery using these kind of stackable containers. These containers can be easily placed inside this shelf, which is great for rental-friendly apartments. If you have limited space or you don't want to spend so much of money on bedside table, then this shelf is of good use. You can keep your bedside essentials like books, alarm clock, water bottle even your cosmetics and daily need items. You can even place these kind of sleek lamps can be kept on the top shelf, which will work beautifully as your bedside reading light. You can even place an indoor plant to make the overall look more beautiful. This is absolutely an amazing way for students and bachelor to organize their space. If you have a study table or desk with no extra shelf, then you can use this shelf to keep your stationery items. Here I have used bottom to shelf to do that. If you have kids in your home, then you can use this for their drawing essentials. I have also placed a small paper bin in the bottom. Overall, it is a very amazing way to organize all your stationery needs in a very limited space. After using it for a couple of months, I would say that it's a very useful product and the quality is also decent as per the price, so you can go for it. Most of the product I have shown in this video have purchased them online. I have provided all the links in the description box. I hope you like all the different ways I have shown you to organize your space using this rack. I always try to bring up some helpful content to you guys so that you always get something out of it. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. I will see you soon in my next video. Take care and till then, bye bye.